so let's go starting from the beginning. Hefsekim. A hefsek is interruption or break, which affects the validity of the bracha. Okay. So one more time, hefsek is interruption or break, which affects the validity of the bracha. A hefsek can occur, number one, in the middle of the bracha. For example, one interrupts the recitation of bracha by speaking before finishing his recital, so in the middle, first one. Second one, between the recital of the bracha and eating the food. For example, one finishes recital bracha but speaks before taking the first bite. That's, I think, the most common number two. The halachas regarding the hefsek in the middle of the bracha are sometimes more stringent than those regarding the hefsek between bracha and eating food, as will be seen in the next three sections. So they already warned. So speaking in the middle is much more serious than speaking after he made bracha and eating. Okay.